Have you ever noticed that some older adults walk every single day, yet still struggle to climb stairs, get out of a chair, or keep their balance? Here's the surprising truth. Walking is great for your heart, but it may not be enough to truly strengthen your legs as you age. And today we're talking about one simple exercise that experts say can build leg strength faster than walking without needing a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of training. If you're over 50, 60, or even 70, this could completely change the way you move, balance, and feel every single day, because the stronger your legs are, the longer you stay independent. And that matters more than most people realize. As we get older, one of the biggest health risks isn't just heart disease or high blood pressure, it's losing muscle strength. Weak legs can quietly steal your freedom. At first, it's small things. You hold onto the railing a little tighter, you avoid stairs, standing up takes more effort than it used to. Then one day you realize your body doesn't feel stable anymore. That's why leg strength is one of the most important parts of healthy aging. And surprisingly, the exercise we're discussing today is something many people overlook because it seems too simple. It's the squat. Yes, the squat. Not heavy gym squats with giant barbells. Not extreme fitness routines. Just a safe, controlled squat movement using your own body weight. In fact, many physical therapists and senior fitness experts consider squats one of the best exercises for rebuilding lower body strength because they train the exact muscles you use every single day. Think about it. Every time you sit down, every time you stand up, every time you bend to pick something up, you're basically doing a squat. But here's the problem. As people age, they stop using these muscles fully. They sit more, move less, and gradually the muscles in the thighs, hips, knees, and glutes become weaker. This process can happen slowly over years, and many people don't even notice it until daily activities become difficult. Walking helps maintain movement, circulation, and endurance. And walking is absolutely important, but walking alone may not challenge the muscles enough to actually build strength quickly. Squats do, because squats activate multiple major muscle groups at once. Your quadriceps in the front of your thighs, your hamstrings in the back of your legs, your glutes, your calves, even your core muscles work during a squat. That's why this single exercise can create noticeable improvements in balance, mobility, and strength much faster than simply walking around the block. Now before you think, I'm too old for squats, listen carefully. You do not need deep squats. You do not need perfect athletic form. And you definitely do not need to force your body. The key is learning how to do them safely and gradually. In fact, one of the safest versions for beginners is called the chair squat. And honestly, it may be one of the best exercises ever created for seniors. Here's how it works. Place a sturdy chair behind you. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself toward the chair like you're about to sit down. Then lightly touch the chair and stand back up. That's it. Simple, controlled, effective. And don't underestimate how powerful this movement is, because when you repeatedly practice standing up and sitting down under control, you train your body for real life. You teach your muscles how to support you. You improve coordination, you strengthen joints, and perhaps most importantly, you improve balance. Falls are one of the biggest dangers for older adults. A single fall can change someone's life overnight, but stronger legs often mean better stability and faster reaction time. That alone can dramatically reduce fall risk. Now here's something interesting. Many people assume leg weakness is just a normal part of aging. But research continues to show that muscle can improve at almost any age when properly trained. Even people in their 70s, 80s, and beyond can gain strength with consistent movement. That's incredible when you think about it. Your body still wants to adapt. It still wants to become stronger. It simply needs the right kind of challenge. And that's exactly what squats provide. Now let's talk about something many viewers might relate to. Knee pain. A lot of people avoid squats because they think squats damage the knees. But in many cases, weak muscles around the knees are actually part of the problem. When your thighs and hips become stronger, they help support the knee joint better. Of course, if someone has severe arthritis, injuries, or chronic pain, they should speak with a healthcare professional before starting new exercises. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. But for many people, gentle squats done correctly can actually improve knee support over time. The secret is starting small. Maybe your first squat is only a few inches down. That's okay. Progress matters more than perfection. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to do too much too fast. Your body responds better to consistency than intensity. 5 careful squats every day can be more valuable than an exhausting workout once a month. And here's another benefit people don't expect. Squats may even help improve bone health. When muscles work against gravity, bones receive signals to stay stronger. That's especially important as we age because bone density naturally declines over time. So this one exercise may support muscles, joints, balance, mobility, and even bones all at once. Few exercises offer that many benefits together. Now imagine this for a moment. Imagine getting out of bed and feeling more stable, walking upstairs without fear, standing up from the couch without pushing yourself with your arms, carrying groceries more confidently, playing with grandchildren more comfortably. These small, everyday victories add up to a better quality of life, and that's what real fitness is about. Not six-pack abs, not impossible gym routines. Real fitness means staying independent, being able to move without fear, keeping your freedom as long as possible. That's the real goal. And if you're finding this information helpful so far, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Waterling Hub for more simple health tips that can help you stay strong, active, and healthy as you age. Now let's talk about how to make squats even safer and more effective. One important tip is to focus on slow movement. Don't rush. When you lower yourself slowly, your muscles stay engaged longer. That builds more strength and control. Try counting slowly in your head. 3 seconds down. Pause briefly, then stand back up. Controlled movement is often more important than speed. Breathing also matters. Many people accidentally hold their breath while exercising. Instead, try inhaling as you lower down and exhaling as you stand up. That keeps your body relaxed and steady. Another smart strategy is using support if needed. You can hold on to a countertop, railing, or sturdy table while practicing. There is absolutely no shame in using support. In fact, it's often the smartest way to build confidence safely. Over time, many people notice something amazing. Movements that once felt difficult begin to feel natural again. That's because muscles respond to repetition. Your nervous system also becomes more coordinated. Your body relearns stability, and confidence starts returning. Now here's something most people don't realize. Leg strength affects more than movement. It can influence energy levels too. Weak muscles force the body to work harder during everyday tasks. That's exhausting. But stronger muscles make movement more efficient. Many people say they simply feel less tired after improving leg strength, and there's another hidden benefit. Exercise can improve mood. Movement increases circulation and helps release chemicals in the brain linked to better emotional health. That's why even short daily exercise sessions can make people feel more positive and motivated. Now let's compare this to walking for a moment. Walking is fantastic. It supports heart health. It helps circulation, it can improve mood and endurance. And walking should absolutely remain part of a healthy lifestyle. But walking mainly trains the body for endurance. Squats train the body for strength. And after age 50 or 60, strength becomes incredibly important because without strength, everyday activities become harder over time. That's why combining walking with strength exercises creates the best results. Think of walking as maintenance. Think of squats as rebuilding. Together, they form a powerful combination for healthy aging. Now you may wonder how often you should do squats. For beginners, even 2 or 3 times per week can make a difference. Some people start with 5 repetitions, others do 10. The goal is not exhaustion, the goal is gradual improvement. If your muscles feel slightly challenged but not painfully strained, you're probably in a good place. And remember, recovery matters too. Your muscles rebuild during rest. That's why sleep, hydration, and proper nutrition also support strength. Protein becomes especially important as we age because muscles need it for repair and maintenance. Even simple changes like eating enough protein and staying active can work together to preserve muscle longer. Now let's address another common fear. What if I lose my balance? That concern is completely understandable. Safety comes first. Always practice near something sturdy you can hold on to. Use a chair if needed. Wear supportive shoes and never rush the movement. Over time, your balance may actually improve because stronger leg muscles help stabilize the body. That's one reason many balance training programs include squat variations. Now there's something emotional about this topic too. Many people quietly fear losing independence as they age. No one likes talking about it. But maintaining strength is one of the best ways to protect independence for as long as possible. Strong legs help you stay mobile. They help you stay confident. They help you continue doing the things you love. And the beautiful part is this: you don't need to become an athlete. You simply need consistency. Small daily efforts can create major changes over time. A few minutes today, a little stronger next month, a little steadier next year. That's how healthy aging happens. Not through extreme changes, but through small habits repeated consistently. And honestly, that's encouraging. Because it means improvement is possible for almost anyone willing to start, even if you haven't exercised in years. Even if your legs feel weak right now, even if walking upstairs already feels difficult, the body can still adapt. It can still improve. And one simple movement practiced regularly may help more than you think. So tomorrow morning, before you sit back down in your chair, pause for a moment, stand up slowly. Sit down with control. Repeat a few times. That tiny action could become the beginning of a stronger future. And years from now, you may look back and realize it wasn't one giant change that protected your mobility, it was one simple daily habit. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Waterling Hub and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health and wellness videos. And remember this, a stronger life often begins with stronger legs. Take care of your body now, and your future self will thank you for it.